This is Joe at the National Weather Service at Billings. Let's take a quick look at our recent warm spell. Very warm temperatures occurred across the region from Sunday the 25th through Tuesday the 27th. This table shows high temperatures at our 4 main climate sites, with the red values representing new or tied daily records. We didn't quite reach all-time January records, but we were pretty close at Livingston on the 26th and Billings on the 27th. Here are some other notable high temps on the 27th. Broadus, Pryor, and Brandenburg each hit a remarkable 70 degrees. Here are some facts about the number 67. Well, that was Billings' high temperature on the 27th. This was 1 degree shy of the all-time January record, which occurred on January 11th, 1953. 67 is also the average high at Billings on May 15th and September 27th. Last year, we did not reach 67 degrees until April 8th. And remarkably, in 1975, we did not reach 67 until the 3rd of May. Okay, so why was it so warm? Here's a map of the weather pattern at mid-levels of our atmosphere on the morning of the 27th. Notice the ridge of high pressure over the northern Rockies and high plains, and deep low pressure over the eastern United States, which produced heavy snow across much of New England. Another important feature here was the energy in the eastern Pacific tropics, which impacted the southwestern U.S. and helped to draw warm air up into the Rockies. Overall, this is what we call a high amplitude flow, and these patterns can be slow to break down once they are established. Also note the yellow shading associated with the high pressure ridge, meaning that the high pressure was a stronger feature than you would typically expect this time of year. The combination of strong high pressure aloft and persistent downslope winds on the east side of the Rocky Mountains and the lack of snow cover resulted in very warm conditions in our area and throughout the high plains. Let's put the recent warm spell into some historical perspective. Yes, it was very warm for these 3 days, but not quite a January record breaker. And overall, January has been just slightly warmer than normal. We always see periods of mild, spring-like weather during the middle of winter. This is our climatology on the east side of the Rocky Mountains. Comparing average temperatures at Billings this January to last, you might be surprised to hear that it was actually warmer in 2014 through the first 4 weeks of the month. Looking at this another way, we average 4 50-degree days per January, and we've had 5 this year, counting the day of this recording. The record is a whopping 14 50-degree days in 1986. Looking ahead, it looks like we'll see colder temperatures and a chance of snow this weekend into next week.